Are you ready to nail party?
I will be using my crystal clear Almond Stiletto Wellness nail tips, my extra adhesion tip and repair nail glue, my nail plump strengthening gel, my flawless base, a fast soak base gel, and my glass slipper, a high gloss no wipe top gel. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. And I will be using my crystal spray decanter, available in peach, gardenia, and fragrance free. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands. I will be using my disposable 180 grit long lasting zebra and my disposable clean finish buffer. And this buffer is made out of material, it's not made out of paper, so it won't leave any grit on the nail. And you can use it dry, you can use it with oil, or you can use it with water. And these are so easy to apply to your plastic board. Just peel off the back, and just stick it on, and you'll have a brand new file for every client. Because when you're all done, you just peel it off. I'm going to remove the polish with my fast acting polish remover, available in peach and gardenia. And even if the client doesn't have on polish, I still clean off the nail. I'm going to score the edge of my file, so when I file around the cuticle area, it's nice and smooth and it won't cut the cuticle. Just use my buffer. Now I'm going to size my tip, and my tip needs to go from one side of the nail at the nail groove to the other side of the nail at the nail groove. And it's better to have your tip a little bit large than too small, because you don't want it to have any gaps. And I will be placing my tip onto the nail about 1/8 of an inch away from the cuticle. And that goes from side to side. Looks good. Okay. When using nail plump, there's no primer, bonded, or etching needed for adhesion. All you do is just remove the shine with a 180 zebra. Let's go from one side to the other side very lightly, removing the shine. Make sure there's no shiny spots. You can push back the cuticle a little bit. Make sure there's no skin that's grown up on the nail. You don't have any lifting. Now I'm going to dust off the nail with my plastic manicure brush. Make sure there's no particles on the nail. Now I'm going to bevel down the cuticle area of the tip to make it blend easier on the natural nail. Very lightly. Just bevel down, thinning out that cuticle area a little bit. Now I'm going to apply extra adhesion tip and repair glue to the underside of my Almond Stiletto nail tip. Turn it over. Place the tip 1/8 of an inch away from the cuticle and press it down, and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds until it adheres. There you go. So fast and so easy, and the shape of that tip is so pretty. Now I will be using the full length and shape, so all I need to do is smooth around the edges and blend in the tip. Just a little bit there. And then blend in the tip with the natural nail. This is really easy because I did a little beveling on the tip before I applied it, so it makes it really easy to blend the tip smooth with the natural nail. And the plump adheres to the tip really well, so you don't need to file the whole tip. You only need to file it smooth with the cuticle. Now I'm going to dust off the nail. Nail plump is strong and hard like a thin overlay of acrylic, and it is so fast and easy to apply. All you do is brush it on and cure it. Now I'm going to apply a thin coat of nail plump. I'm going to wipe away from me and then halfway down towards me so I don't get too much on the brush. Place the nail plump 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle. Get as close as you can without touching, and long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Side to side. Then cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of nail plump. I wipe away from me and halfway towards me so I don't get too much on my brush. Again, I place my brush about a 32nd of an inch away from the cuticle and slightly push up as far as I can go without touching the skin. And then long strokes, cover the entire nail. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my third coat. Again, I wipe away from me and halfway down the brush towards me. Place my brush about 32nd of an inch away from the cuticle to slightly push up towards the cuticle without touching the skin. And stroke, nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to clean off the tacky surface with Clean It. Now I'm going to file my nail in 5 steps. My first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right, holding the finger and the nail securely. File straight out from the nail groove. The shape of this nail is an almond stiletto, so I will be holding my file flat, holding the finger securely, go back and forth. My fourth step in filing is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. File down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. And there's a little road around the cuticle where you have product, natural nail cuticle. Place your file in that little road. And file your plump flush with the natural nail. Holding the finger securely. Don't let it wobble. Plump file's really easy. My fifth step in filing is turn the nail around and look at the nail from the client's angle. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks, and I want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. Bevel down towards the tip. Get it nice and smooth. When there's no more shiny spots, you know it's nice and even. Now I'm going to buff the nail with my clean finish buffer, holding the finger securely. Buff down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Go around the cuticle area, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Get it nice and smooth around the cuticle area. And now towards the tip. Nice and smooth. I like to go around the edge just a little bit. There we go. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. At this point, you can apply regular nail lacquer or gel polish, and I will be applying gel polish, so I will be starting with my flawless base. About 32nd of an inch away from the cuticle, and nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cure 40 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be applying Stay Golden and Neon Brown from my Groovy Baby collection. 32nd of an inch away from the cuticle, and then push a little bit towards the cuticle to get it really close without touching, and then nice long strokes all the to the side. Cover the entire nail. All the way to the other side. Nice and smooth. There we go. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Again, 32nd inch away from the cuticle, and then push towards the cuticle. There we go. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. All the way to the other side. So pretty. I love this. The shape, the color. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my glass slipper, a super high gloss, non-yellowing, no wipe top gel. And nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I will be applying conditioning cuticle oil available in Peach, Gardenia, and True Love. This is so good for the cuticle. It helps eliminate hangnails. It helps the natural nail grow really healthy. It feels really good. Now you have your fast almond stiletto with nail plump and neon brown gel polish. And it's so easy to clean up. Just peel off your file strip. Disinfect your plastic boards. Fold up your disposable towel and throw everything away.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.